So what you can also do is you can generate HTML tables so that you can control the size of the columns as you want as well. So for that, let me just go around and generate a table data. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say generate a table data with 4 columns right here. Generate a table data with 4 columns where in first column there is SN, second column is fruit name, third column is fruit color, and fourth column is nutrition right here, just like this. So once I go around over here just like this, you can see that it went around and generated out a table right here just like this. So you can see that I have a certain width right here, but I want the width of the table columns to be exact. So in that case, I'm going to go around and say generate this table in HTML and define different sizes for each of the columns right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, it generates out the column right here, just like this, and you can see that it defines out the width and border right here, just like this as well. So where the first column is 5%, second is 20, 15, and so forth. You can go around and change this out as well, but you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go around and copy out this code, and then I'm going to go around and bring in Notepad application right here, just like this, and paste this out right here. And now I'm going to go around onto file and go to save as right here, and on my desktop right here, I'm going to go around and go to all files right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and then save this out as table.html right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around over here just like this, and then this is what you have. So now if I were to go around, you can see that this is the table that you have with the sizes defined, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you have. Now I can also go around and say, like, make this table width fixed width right here. So fixed width, let's say, for example, and press enter, and what happens is that you get an updated table right here with the fixed width, like 50 pixels and 150, 100, and 300. You can redefine it out as you like as well. So you can see that it is all generated right here, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and copy out this particular code over here. And then I'm going to go around and then, let's say, for example, go to Notepad right here, just like this. And then if I were to go around and press save right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and refresh, now you can see that it is fixed width right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with ChatGPT and then generate tables using HTML and set the column size as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.